had a client come to me with this really amazing insight, and when she told me about this, I was like so excited. I was like, wow, that is cool. I mean, she's been working on her singing voice, and she's been making a lot of progress. And a lot of that progress she found came from recording bad sounds. She said, oh, the power of recording bad sounds. I was like, oh, okay, that's interesting. If she hadn't recorded the bad sounds and listened back, she wouldn't have been able to figure out how to make the good sounds. And I think that is so powerful, because I've heard so many clients and just people on Musical You website and just people in general, they don't want to record because they think they don't have something that's worth recording. I've heard people say that when I get good enough, I'll record something. And I think it's so powerful that this client, she got good by recording the things that maybe wouldn't have been good enough to record. So you can learn a lot and progress really fast if you just go ahead and record it, everything really. Doesn't have to be about good or bad, just record everything and you'll learn a lot and you'll progress really fast. And I think that's so cool. I was so excited for her.